What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video, Luvwin Hair came through with a beautiful unit. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. I'm just showing y'all everything that came in my package, but today I will be installing and reviewing a highlight wig. Y'all, the wig is 100% glueless. It's HD lace, pre-plucked. Girl, I'm gonna get into the rest of the details later, but for now I'm just showing you everything that came in my little pack. Here is the unit right here, y'all. As I mentioned, it is a highlight unit. So beautiful. I'm showing y'all the band and everything. Oh, your girl has been obsessed with glueless wigs lately, so yeah, this one came through. I'm just showing y'all the knots. Invisible, babe. They were very small, and I love that for me. And this wig was thick all the way down to the ends, girl. So I'm just showing y'all up close and personal what it's giving. Now I am going ahead and doing a ball cap. I'm using my Ruby Kisses foundation per usual. Now this glue is really bomb for actually installing my lace, but for the ball cap method, I'm not so much feeling it, so just ignore that. But the shade definitely was matching, so I'm just cutting this off now. I love how breathable the new caps are, the HD ones. These ones are bomb. They're super thin, and they just work really well for doing the ball cap method. So I'm just finishing up cutting the last little pieces off, and like I mentioned, just ignore that. I should have used a different glue, but anyways, I put that Ruby Kisses foundation on the actual lace, and y'all, I just knew the install was gonna come out good. Now what I will say about this unit is it was a little small for my head, but I made it work. That is why I decided to glue it. But y'all, this wig is 100% glueless. Like, you can wear it glueless. You don't need to wear glue. Perfect for summer, and also perfect for fall as we are transitioning. And I just knew it was finna eat. That's why I was looking like that. But anywho, I'm going ahead and cutting the lace up to make it easier to lay the glue. Y'all know I like to lay it in sections. I don't know why I used this part of my edge brush, because I had a different edge brush that had an end that was meant for laying the glue. But anywho, girl, we using a little comb side, I guess. And I'm like looking like that as if I didn't know it was gonna get messed up. Anywho, I'm just smoothing that out, making sure I do very good thin and wide layers. This is going to help aid in the longevity of the install. I'm going to go ahead and blow dry it on warm and cool. I go back and forth until like it's clear, and then I do more of my layers. This ain't nothing new, girl. I could have actually went a little bit thinner on the glue, but it's okay. It all turned out how it turned out in the end. And so I'm just going ahead and blow drying that layer. I'm just repeating the process. Lay the glue, lay the layers. I guess I did two. And then I'm going ahead and laying this unit down. Like I said, girl, it was a little small, but we made it do what it do. Once again, girls, this wig is 100% glueless. You do not have to use glue like I did. I just wanted that extra layer of security, and the wig was a little bit on a smaller side, but it was literally created to be glueless. That's why it has the band in the back, and I love the breathable cap overall. The lace melted real easy, girl. It's HD lace, 13x4 frontal, by the way. And I got this wig in 20 inches. I will have all the information down below, but I just want to give y'all a little bit more of the details. I'm doing the same exact steps, girl, on each side. I like to work in 3 sections, as I kind of mentioned earlier before. So I'm making sure I do my 2 thin layers of glue, and then I'm going to go ahead and lay the lace down when it's ready. I'm going in with my blow dryer again, girl. Same old steps. I'm gonna go ahead and lay that down. I had to tug a little bit. But what I do like is that the wig was super secure because of the band, the clips, and everything. If you don't go the ball cap method way, the clips are just like an extra layer of security. But when I have my ball cap, of course, I'm not really using them like that. But anyway, I'm laying a elastic band so that lace can melt and settle in. And I was just trying to get a feel for like what type of look I was going for. And of course, I went for a side part. This wig was 13x4 for the frontal, and I still got a nice little side part install going on. Y'all gonna see me originally curl this hair, but this is a straight unit, so them curls did not hold, girl. So I end up coming back to the drawing board and styling the hair in its natural state, which y'all will see. I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself, but now I'm just taking a little razor and cutting the lace off. This lace was like a tad bit light, but y'all know I know how to finesse that, so I'm gonna go ahead and add like my makeup and everything. But as y'all can see, I'm getting up close, or maybe it wasn't light, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, it's HD lace at the end of the day. So anywho, I'm just doing all of the little extra steps, going ahead with my makeup once again, the Ruby Kisses and the number 16. And yeah, this video would have been so much shorter, girl, if this was a glueless install, but like I said, I decided to glue it down. It probably would take you way less time. Even though we 5 minutes, 6 minutes into the video, girl, it probably would take you like 10 minutes to install this wig. But yeah, now I'm taking my hot comb, which is my best friend when I'm doing my installs, and I'm going ahead and just straightening and pressing the hair on out. I need this install to be flat. We want it to lay flat, no helmet hair over here. So I'm using my Care wax stick for that. I also have all the information on everything that I use in my Amazon storefront as well. If y'all are interested in that, I will have that in my description box, as well as all the details for the hair, of course. Again, shout out to Luvwin Hair for sponsoring this video. But yeah, now I'm making sure I part the frontal just to make sure everything is flat. Sometimes you got to part that thing, girl. Part it in a few sections. Take your time. Rather that than to have like a helmet hair situation going on. Okay. So I'm going in with some melting spray, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the perimeter of the lace just to further melt and lay that lace in. So that's what y'all see me doing. And now I'm cutting my baby hairs for where I want them to lay. I'm going to also pluck them, and then I'm going to also curl them and lay them. I love this little pencil flat iron from Kiss, I believe. And so I'm just curling the hair so that they lay better. And I think I'm using a little bit of Got2b glue gel, the black tube, if I'm not mistaken. And then I'm going to take the comb side of one of my edge brushes and just kind of play with the baby hairs until I get them to my liking. I really like to focus on like swirling them in like a little C shape. So yeah, I'm doing 2 on this one side. And then I think I just end up doing a sideburn on the other side. I really didn't do any in the front on the other side. So yeah, I'm just playing with them. Sometimes it be taking me a minute, girl. Sometimes I just don't be liking how they coming out. But you know what I say to that? Trust the process. Trust the process, because just trust the process, okay? It takes time to get stuff how you want it to look sometimes. But anywho, I'm just trying to, you know, play with them until I like them. And now I'm going in with some more of my Ruby Kisses on the perimeter of the lace, just touching up on some spots that I missed that could just, you know, look more like my skin tone. And now I'm combing the hair out. As you can see, this hair is definitely naturally straight. And I think I forgot whether I got body wave or straight, because they do have this hair in body wave or straight, but I got it in straight. And so I was like, okay, cool, I'm gonna do me some curls. That'll be cute, like side part curls. And so I'm gonna naturally put some layers in the hair. So that's why I did that. But y'all gonna see that I'm gonna end up pressing this hair right on out, and that it was kind of, I wouldn't say pointless, because I did end up doing a layered look, as y'all saw in the beginning of this video. And I think it turned out really, really cute. Y'all know that's kind of like a popular hairstyle. So here I'm just showing y'all a little bit of what I was doing when I was curling the hair. I thought I would include these clips because why not? I recorded them. But once again, this wig that I got is a straight unit, so I definitely don't recommend curling a straight unit. I mean, you can if you want to, girl, do what you want with your wig, but they're more likely to fall for sure because the hair is straight. And body wave and like curly textures hold curls way better, of course, because you know that's the texture of the hair. So anywho, the curls were turning out super cute though. I was using a really good curling iron, like curling wand, and they were turning out cute. I was kind of playing with it, just, you know, curling the hair different directions, just trying to, you know, get some body yaddy yaddy going on. But like I said, girl, we about to press the hair out, so it really don't matter. So here I am some time later with the beat face, and I'm pressing out the hair. I was also filming a TikTok, so make sure you follow me on TikTok for more short form hair content over there as well. But yeah, here I'm just pressing out the hair. Literally nothing special. I'm using my flat iron, and I'm also going to be using my Bio Silk, which y'all will see me apply a couple times, because Bio Silk is a little bit on a light side, and this hair has been processed, and all of its beauty is definitely processed hair. So just to kind of tame a little bit of the frizz that I got while styling my hair and making it all silky and smooth, I did go ahead and add I think it's an olive oil, like serum oil for like frizz, and it was a little bit of like just a sad bit heavier oil that worked way better for me. So yeah, I just recommend any type of heat protectant, any type of oil that's gonna tame frizz or anything like that when you pressing out your hair, just so that everything looks sleek and silky. I did not like that, girl. I was like, So yeah, like I said, I started off with the Bio Silk, but then I'm gonna go off camera later and add a different type of oil, and I'm just continuing to straighten the hair on both sides. There's Bella. And so now I'm just pressing the hair out on this side. And y'all, that's basically like the gist of everything. I kind of left in everything. I don't know, sometimes I like to see the process of an install, like from start to finish. Let me know what y'all think about, like, if that's helpful. Sometimes I feel like people won't care to watch you styling your hair, but at the same time, why not include it in here? This is what I did. So anywho, y'all know that I cut the layers and everything, so of course we working with some layers. And yeah, we're towards the end of the install. I'm just playing with it. I think I was like real scissor happy, girl. I went in and I was just kind of cutting some more pieces because, you know, we was already doing the layer situation, so I might as well play it out to the end, right? Yeah, so this is what it's given. I think it was really, really cute. I loved how I did my makeup this day as well. And yeah, I shout out to Luvwin Hair so much for sponsoring this video. Once again, this is a Glueless HD lace pre-plucked, girl, highlight wig. This is a 13x4. I got it in 20 inches once again, which was pretty. This was pretty long on me for it to be 20 inches, and I'm pretty tall, girl. So it was a really decent length. Perfect for the summer and fall. Again, it is 100% glueless. If you want to go that route, you don't have to use glue. I'll have all the details down below. And I thank you so much for watching. If you stayed to the end, thank you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.